Hello, this is our project to practice and learn about multi-agent system and a little bit of a simple deep learning. This is the code we made. We made it with Visual Studio and Python. It works learning a policy, a function that maps an observation obtained from its environment to an action. This learning affects the behavior of every agent in play. In the system we made, every piston works as an individual agent that tries to push the ball to the left as fast as it can. It learns from the behavior and results and modifies the velocity of this. Every piston learns from his previous attempt to push the ball to the front. So every piston modifies its actions to try to push it faster. To accomplish this, we use the help of programs like Visual Studio, Git, and Python. And we use some Python libraries too, like Petinsu, Supersuit, Box2D, and for the 2D modeling, Pylons, Stable Baselines 1 and 3, PyBox, CMake, and Gym. We have here a little example. We use Supersuit, PyBox to use the 2D modeling, Gym for the learning, and Stable Baselines. We have here a little example of a 2D box for you to see how it works. Here you can see how it works. We can use like a collision. We can see collisions. We can see sensors to sensor where the ball is. So we make this we use this to make the pistons. We can see like little forces, and as you see they collide. So we use this program to make the pistons. The program ended up looking like this. As you can see that the pistons tries to move the balls and they learn from each attempt. Thank you for your attention.